You're welcome to Kintampo, a town which is located in the Bono East region of Ghana. The town is geographically known as the center of Ghana. The town is estimated to have a population of 60,000 people, for which almost 60% are into commercial farming, specifically yam cultivation. This town became the capital of Kintampo North Municipal in the year 2004. Kintampo is also known for its handicraft work, sculptures, and other activities. When it comes to indigenous things, local things that is very difficult to see, this town can boast of these things. Not only with things like this that Ghana know Kintampo to be. Kintampo has one of the popular College of Health in this place. This College of Health and Well-being has been here for over 50 years and has trained people, health professionals, into various sectors of health, and it has been a school that Ghana can never forget. Kintampo is again blessed with mountainous areas and mountains, beautiful mountains one can enjoy him or herself with. The commonest one among these mountains is the Mo Mountain, a mountain located in the Mo Line area of Kintampo Municipal. Kintampo was again an important administrative center during British colonial times. Several bungalows are still there to be visited, and the commonest among these buildings is the building of the provincial commissioner and a medical officer. He lived here with his family in Kintampo. Some of these buildings are abandoned for reasons beyond some of us. Some of these commissioners died and were buried here in Kintampo. So we have just visited the grave of these great men, and as you can see clearly, it dates back to years upon years. This one is, if I can see it well, over 1931. That is Howard Lidward. 1931. He died here in Kintampo and was buried here. This grave has been kept secretly and protected for so many years. Let's check this one here out. This one dates back to, if I can see, 1913. Edward, he died and buried here in Kintampo in the 1913. It's not today. This place is actually a historical place that Ghana cannot forget. Let's check this one out. 1924, Edward. What name is that? Let's use the Edward. 1924, very long ago. The former president J.J. Rawlings had a sacred place where he used to sleep whenever he visits Kintampo. And this is the building. It's an ancient building. The plan of this building served a security purpose, as it is obvious it had a lot of hideouts underground. Where soldiers were able to hide and protect anybody who is upstairs. Yeah, that is the ancient plan. This particular place in Kintampo is considered geographically to be the center of Ghana, and we can see it, the coat of arms raised to the skies. Kintampo is actually a historical town. The main attraction of this video is to tour to Kintampo Waterfalls. This waterfalls is located 4 kilometers away from Kintampo town on the Kintampo Tamale Highway. Close to the waterfalls is a beautiful place called the Falls Rest Stop, a place or a resting place for visitors of the waterfalls and people traveling along this highway. It has a hotel to accommodate, and it has restaurants to eat and feed yourself in. It had bars and other interesting places. Spacious place to park your cars and any other thing. That is Kintampo Falls Rest Stop, very close to Kintampo Waterfalls. On our way to Kintampo Waterfalls, we'll meet a nice place again, and this place is called the Falls Front. The Falls Front, a serene place where visitors of the falls can come here, hang around with friends, and have fun. Here comes the main entrance of Kintampo Waterfalls. Here comes the main entrance. The falls has 2 entrances. This is the first one, and that is your boy Jekum Francis 4HL man. I am taking you on this tour.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Me pesa me di wa every ghetto. Fresh girls for sing my song well. Who me say hi hello. Me na me V8 say do mellow. Wanna be very popular and wealthy. Me buy one say God help me. Small time on my jersey. Me pesa me unkwala bakote.
We are in here, right here. It's a serene place with beautiful flowers and a lot of nature. It has inner restaurants where people who do not want to come out from the falls can hang around, eat, have fun, drink, and a whole lot. A lot of nature. Kintampo is actually a place one has to visit in a lifetime. The falls has a lot of flowers that is very hard to see. That is very hard to see. If you want to eat meat, you can. Alright, so let's go. I'm taking you over. You can have a very beautiful scene here. The place is very neat and beautiful with a lot of nature. So basically, Kintampo Waterfalls is in 3 stages. and this part here leads us to the first stage of Kintampo Waterfalls. This stage has national history to be told. The first president of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, initiated a hydroelectric project which he aimed to be a source of electric power to supply power to the people living in Kintampo and the nearby villages. The holes were created in this rock to hold the turbine, as you can see here, but unfortunately he could not live to execute this project. So I will throw this challenge to the now president that if this thing is done, it can help curb the power fluctuation in the country. Just after the stage 1 is the stage 2 of Kintampo Waterfalls, and this stage 2 leads to the main attraction of today, that is stage 3 of Waterfalls. My man has something to tell us. Come on.
Yes, this is a simple talk. You get my point. Thank you. Yes. We'll catch you later.
To the main attraction, the stage 3. Woo! Welcome. This stage is unique in a sense that it has stairs and a walkway, and this walkway allows visitors to watch the beautiful nature of the waterfalls from any angle of choice. So standing on the canopy, you are able to watch from any angle of your choice, especially on days and occasions where the number of people here is very numerous. I came here specifically today because I know today is free day and the place will be free for this video. That is why we came today. So let's get inside there. That is the tour guide. She will help you in case of any emergency. She would be there right with you. Come on, let's go. Alright, so I'm just in the canopy walkway. I'm having fun here, watching the nature and seeing what is going on. Standing in this, you can have a beautiful look and a view. Wow, 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 wow. That is how nature is beautiful. So we are right inside the falls, and this is how it looks like. It falls from the uppermost, that is from the stage 2 we already saw. Then it comes to 3 stages before it lands on the ground, and the ground is rocky, and that is where people have fun and enjoy. You sit in the ground there, then it runs you down along with the water to the main stream. Very good. That is Kintampo Waterfalls. We sit here and it runs you down to the main stream, and that is where on occasions people have fun. Just come in there, it runs you down, you go back, it runs you down, you hide behind the waters on the rocky areas, then you take pictures and a whole lot of fun. This place is a beautiful place to be. Once in a lifetime, Kintampo must be visited. Kintampo must be visited. So thanks to everyone watching this video. I know you have learned a lot, and this brings us to the end of our video. A very nice walkway, stairs. If you don't want to park on the walkway, you have a stairs. So thanks to 4HL, your boy Jekun Francis. Yeah, the only Baba in town, in the country. Charlie, look sharp. Bridegroom, anyone who wants a special cut for a special occasion can look up to this guy, your boy Jekun Francis. I just took you on this tour. You call me, I'll just be at your doorstep and work on you. I'm a student in the University of Cape Coast, medical laboratory science student, level 400. Just call me and I'll be right there.
Remix.
Like and subscribe to this channel.
Entertainment.
A lot of videos coming up. Interesting videos to show.
No hit.